see to the smile. There is no need to cry for trifles more than this. Still recall my name and the month it all began. Will you release me with a kiss? Have I tried to draw the veil? If I have, how could I fail? Did I fear the consequence? Dazed by careless words, cozy in my mind. Wax, fitted out with greater cracks, sweet devotion, my delight. Oh, you're such a pretty one, and the naked thrills of flesh and skin would tease me through the night. I hate to leave you bare. If you need me, I'll be there. Don't you ever let me down. Dazed by careless words, cozy in my mind. I don't mind, I feel so. I will let you go. I don't mind, I feel so. I will let you go. And I touched your face, narcotic mind from lace. Mary Jane. And I called your name like an addicted to cocaine. Don't swallow the stuff you'd rather blame. And I touched your face, narcotic mind from lace. Mary Jane. And I called your name, Michael Kidd. You're thinking we were going down. I could feel us sinking. Then I came around, and everyone I'd loved before flashed before my eyes, and nothing mattered anymore. I looked into the sky. Well, I wanted something better, man. I wished for something new, and I wanted something beautiful. I wished for something true.